So I've been down here for a few days, and it's been a nice little breakaway. But I thought this morning I'd pop out, take a little walk, and show you guys around a little bit. So no cooking today, no camping out, just some nice views. Hope you enjoy.
It's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Today, since it's nice and bright, we have an opportune time to have a little walk early morning and show you guys around. It's absolutely stunning here, really peaceful, and I'm always trying to make sure I'm fit in time to shoot one of these videos. So on this site there is actually a huge boating lake as well, where people can go fishing. Now there's obviously a lot of restaurants, there's a lot of activities here you can do, and there's a great swimming pool here. It's my first time ever visiting Center Parcs, and I wasn't really sure what to expect. If you like the outdoors but you also like a lot of comfort, definitely recommend visit one of these places. Now as I said, the one in Longleat's where we are today, excuse the sun, as I don't know if you see up there, we've actually got a couple of restaurants up there and a sports bar. So again, they got a selection of restaurants on site, so I think there's a choice for everyone. There's also a shop here as well. Get some shots across the lake now. Can't bloody see anything. It's very difficult to actually get an angle where the sun's not in my face at the minute because the sun's just coming up. They've also got a little beach area here as well where you can rent boats. There's a lot of fish in the water and stuff like that, which I'll put some shots up of. So we've come across a lot of ducks, squirrels, there's fish, there's rabbits, there's all sorts. They've actually got a crazy golf course here as well, and played that yesterday and came second, so that's not bad going. And no, there wasn't just two of us playing, not as good as it should have been. I should have won, really. I do play golf after all, obviously not very well. So you can actually do a full loop around the lake there, but what I'm actually going to do is just take you up this way, just why there's absolutely no one around, just to show you some of the views up there. The only people I've actually come across this morning are a couple of early morning joggers, so good on them for getting out. But if you're a fan of heights, this is probably something worth trying out. I don't mind heights, but might make a funny video though, mightn't it? Me panicking whilst I'm up there. I know, maybe next time. I'm not going up any more bloody steps. Knackered. As you can see, it's pretty bright this morning. No awful cooking today. No testing any MRE packs. Just a nice walk, some nice views, and I hope you enjoy them. Another cool little thing about this place is they actually run a shuttle train, which runs throughout the day at different times, and that allows you to jump on and off at different stops all around the area, and it'll take you to the next bit. So no matter where your lodge is, you can jump on those and it'll take you back into the plaza or where the pool is. It takes you to other restaurants and other places where there's activities. So again, that's free, you just jump on and off all day, and I've been on that a few times. Great fun, brings back some memories of being a kid in the Isle of Wight and actually jumping on one of those little trains and going along the seafront. So yeah, you don't have to walk everywhere. There's a lot of steps, there's a lot of hills, but obviously, you know, I do recommend walking everywhere because you get to take in all of this behind you. One of the key things I really like about since we've been here is the mix between, obviously, you've got your luxury amenities and nature. So they've done a really good job of obviously making you feel like you're in a forest, which technically you are. The swimming pool's absolutely amazing. I will splice in some different shots I've taken over the last couple of days in this video, just to give you a bit of a better idea. So if there's a bit of a change, probably because obviously I'm trying to put all these shots together. There's actually quite a few people starting to turn up for work now. We won't start to walk any further on because that's actually where the plaza is and stuff like that. I can imagine that starting to be getting quite busy now. So I did get some shots yesterday, so I'll pop them up next so you can have a little look.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good.
So just want to say a quick shout out to Walking with Moki. Actually been down here with him over the last couple of days. He's actually done a video on this before. I'll pop a little link up at the bottom. Do go check his channel out as well. Also, so already inconsistency you may notice off a couple of my shots. I've had glasses on, some of them I haven't. That's because I'm getting old and I'm struggling to see the button properly on the screen. And plus it's quite cold, so my eyes get watering. So yeah, sorry about that, guys. I see what I find really weird at the minute. Every time you say hello or good morning to someone, they seem really confused. I don't know what's going on. I always find it polite if you're walking past somebody and you're the only people on the trail to say hello, good morning, good afternoon, whatever. Maybe since the lockdown, a lot of people seem to have lost the ability to communicate properly. I mean, I know I can just about string a sentence, but at least I've got manners right. So I've had to take the glasses off again because I can't see some of the bits I'm doing on the screen. If I'm wearing them, I can't see where I'm bloody walking. And that's not a good thing. I think it's just that view just across the lake that does it for me, especially this morning. And that's actually the sports bar cafe where actually had some amazing loaded fries yesterday, katsu curry loaded fries, and yeah, that I think that is going to have to be one that I'm going to start cooking at home. It was so good. So yeah, if you come here, try that out. I'll tell you one thing, all this walking certainly keeps you healthy, so it doesn't matter if you're eating and drinking a little bit more whilst you're here, you're definitely burning the calories. But like I said before, if you enjoy the outside, like I do, but also enjoy your luxuries, like I also do, Center Parcs. One of the things I can't get over here is the size of these trees. And then no matter how many times I've walked down here over the last few days, it still amazes me. I'm probably going to say this walk back up to where our lodge is has probably been my favourite bit. Just, you know, like this morning, how the light changes coming through here, that's all lit up, and apparently at Christmas they actually put all lights all around these posts and all the way down, and they've got different areas all lit up with Christmas trees and stuff like that. Maybe if we can if I can get enough subscribers, I might be able to afford to come back here and you know, come in here at Christmas when it's all lit up. Well, I bet that's a sight to behold. But I just wanted to share this with you guys, and I mean, you know, I wasn't going to miss an opportunity to shoot a quick video, even if it's just me walking around, just showing you guys Center Parcs. I might do this as a two-part, so I might do this one with me, have a little chat with you guys, and also might put one up into my relaxing walk series, where I just put together all the clips I've got from the last few days of just walking around the park, and put some nice music to it. So keep an eye out for those. So please remember to like and subscribe. I'm up to 1,190 subscribers so far, and I want to keep pushing until I get that play button. So remember, guys, until next time, if you're not outside, get outside. And if you can afford to go to Center Parcs, do it. Really good.